Hello viewers, welcome to SHECARS India Auto Insider. Ford Evos, a crossover developed for China, has been unveiled at the Auto Shanghai 2021. Technical specifications have been kept under wraps, but the exterior and interior has been completely revealed. The Evos is the first product to break cover under Ford China's 2.0 strategy, and Ford has also confirmed that the vehicle has largely been developed by its team in China. Ford China has peculiarly styled the new crossover as an SUV coupe. The roofline slopes downwards and bends into the body panel, eliminating the D-pillar. In the profile view, you see flush door handles and minimum body cladding. The body cladding sports an orange highlight which complements with the orange painted brake calipers on all four wheels. The orange highlight is also noticed on the rear view mirror surrounds. The rear end of the Ford Evos sports a boomerang styled tail lamp assembly. Inside, the orange highlights continue on the steering wheel as well as on the center console. The seats and the soft touch material on the dashboard and the door cards get orange stitching as well. However, the mainstay of the cabin is 27-inch ultra-wide touch-operated screen. While 1/3 side of the screen is exclusive to display the instrumentation and necessary driver information, the middle and the remaining side is used to the multimedia infotainment system that can be operated by the co-passenger. The screen has been equipped with Ford's Sync 2.0 along with artificial intelligence. Similar tech is available in the Ford Mach-E, which is on sale in the international market. The source of power is likely to be 2.0-liter turbocharged unit, which also does duty in the Ford Bronco Sport. However, Ford has not disclosed any of the technical specifications of Evos yet. Currently, Ford India has the EcoSport and Endeavour in its SUV vertical. Ford had recently updated the EcoSport with the SE variant in India. The EcoSport is priced between 8.13 and 11.69 lakhs, and the Endeavour starts at 29.99 lakhs and goes all the way up to 36.25 lakhs. The pricing gap between the top spec EcoSport and the base variant of Endeavour is 18.3 lakh. Ford India has no product that rivals the SUVs in the market space, such as the Hyundai Creta, Kia Seltos, Tata Harrier, MG Hector, and the upcoming Skoda Kushaq and Volkswagen Taycan. It was rumored that Ford and Mahindra's JV could conceive a 5-seater SUV for the Indian market. However, since the joint venture has been called off, no platform or powertrain sharing will take place. This was confirmed by Ford India. However, a possibility of a newly developed crossover SUV from Ford for the Indian market cannot be ruled out. If you find this video informative, please do not forget to like and share this content. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe and support us.